So question 1, I got true. No, just kidding.
I got false.
Oh, man.
That's funny.
So the symbol for true proportion
Oh,
is which of the following? Well, obviously it's P,
Yep, that's what I got.
but which P is it?
The
That's one.
regular P.
So the regular P. Oh, I hate questions like that. It's like, which one?
And then I got true for 4 and 5.
Yep. 6, I got 0.75.
That's what I got. Seven, is it 0.11?
I put 0.109. So just because it needs to round to 3 decimal places.
Oh, rounding.
Oh, yeah. 109. Okay.
Yeah. 8, I put 0.641.
That's what I got.
And then 9, I put 0.859.
Yep.
Yep.
And for 10, I put decrease.
Same. 11, I put 20.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, it's like, yep, yep, yep. Check.
I missed 12. It's that same problem I missed last time.
You just do the same thing as you did with the question before, except with 1/10.
Should we step through it real quick just so that we're all on the same page with it?
I guessed on 11. I
Oh,
just happened to get it right.
that's amazing.
I know.
really good.
It's like, what is the statistical probability?
Well, I found that on the other one, it was 1/4, but the answer was 40. And I'm like, oh, so I times it by 10. And on this one, I thought, well, let's just see if it works. I'll times it by 10. And it worked.
Well, we're using the equation that was given in the reading, right?
Yeah.
I don't think I have that in my Excel document yet.
Yeah, I couldn't find it, which is why it's wrong.
So the equations are, I believe, n times whatever p is, has to be greater than or equal to 10. And then the second
that's
one,
right.
1 or n times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10.
So it's just the
Okay.
plus or minus, and then you do the plus or minus to find the upper and the lower bound. That's how, correct? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
I'm just wondering, once you do that, which end do you take?
Whichever one can be used to meet both requirements.
Okay.
I usually take the biggest one.
so what was it again? So it's obviously the
So I got 100 for 12.
See, you times it by 10. Every one of them.
well. Here's the thing: is that
True.
There you go.
if it's equal, if it's greater or less than 10, then yeah, you balance the equation and you have p. So you're just solving for n. So what you would do is times it by 10. Yeah.
Much.
All right, 13, I got true.
Same.
Yep.
Okay.
14, I got 0.475.
Yep.
I got 15 and 16 wrong.
Me too. Did you get negative 4.392?
I don't have my old one pulled up, but let me pull it up really quick. If I can find it. Oh, that's because it's the wrong class. Okay.
Like,
Should probably get into the right class.
I hate that.
Right.
Like, which group meeting do I have tonight?
Are we on 15?
Yeah.
So 15, the first time I put negative 2.273.
Okay.
Because isn't the test statistic just z-score?
That's what I put too, but I got a whole different number. All right, James, what did you get?
Sorry, you guys were way ahead of me, so I was catching up.
Oh, sorry.
Which number are you on?
15.
And what
James
did you
just
guys put?
Negative 4.392.
Yeah, I got negative 2.967.
Negative 2.273.
So let's see. Okay, so the question is, so 60%, so that's going to be the true proportion. The sample size is 80. And, oh, hold on. What did you get, Haley?
I have 2.273.
Yeah, I have negative 2.282 now because I made a small mistake. Did you get that? Was that your was that one you got wrong?
Wrong.
What did you guys get on 14?
0.475.
Okay, me too. Okay, so now on 15 I have negative 2.282.
Did you just enter that into the one sample z-test?
No, I made my own spreadsheet. And so the formula is just the sample proportion minus the true proportion all divided by the standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
What did you guys get for the standard deviation?
You're looking for the.
It should be 0.055.
0.055?
Yeah.
That's what I have. So I wonder why mine is different.
Did you just add that to your other web sheet, James? The other
No.
Excel sheet?
I made
Made
it
a
different.
separate one. Would you mind posting that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm getting negative 2.82, so we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Negative 2.82 or 2.8 or 2.282.
Negative 2.282.
That's not how it changes the p-value.
Okay, that's what I have. I forgot to change my null hypothesis value in the spreadsheet that was given to us in the homework. and I got negative 2.282. And then the p-value should be 0.989.
That's what I put the first time I took the quiz, and that's wrong.
It was wrong? Weird, because I put 1 and it was wrong. So it's got to be...
Is it just everything to the very left? Is it just 0.011?
Yeah, it should be to the left.
So it would be 0.011.
0.011, okay.
Yeah, it's everything to the left. If you do everything to the right, it's 0.989.
Oh, yeah. And then 17, reject.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I missed 18.
So did I.
I put insufficient evidence that the water quality in the area has not decreased.
There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the water quality in the area has not decreased. So it's one of the bottom two.
Is that what you got wrong? Okay.
You reject the null hypothesis, so it's going to start with insufficient, isn't it, James?
Well, if you're ever rejecting something, that means you have to have sufficient evidence.
Oh, so it would be the
No,
sufficient evidence to
okay.
conclude that water in the area has decreased.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
That's 100% on that one, guys.
Nice.
Do you guys want to talk about the group project now, or would you rather set up a time to maybe meet tomorrow night?
I can meet tomorrow night, but I have to take off here for work tonight.
So it'd probably be better to meet tomorrow night.
Okay.
If there's anything that you want me to do, you can just type me a message in Hangouts and I can take care of it tomorrow during the day.
And here's the thing: it's kind of hard because there's a lot of paperwork behind all of this.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've looked at it at all.
I scrolled through it today. It's a lot.
It's intense. And he wants us to have it done by the end of the week, so. I don't know. You guys just want to meet tomorrow at 5?
Don't we just have to design the sample today? Or do this week?
Yeah, but if you look at the paperwork, like the template he has to download is like 6 or 7 pages long, if I remember right.
Okay. That's fun.
Yeah, I know, right?
Do we need to meet later since it's going to take longer, or is everyone okay doing at 5 and having a longer meeting?
I have tomorrow off of work, so I'm okay with anything.
Okay. Me
And
too.
I've got work tomorrow, so I'd have to do like a 4 or 5 o'clock meeting.
Right. I'm just saying, do we want to meet
Like we could meet later.
evening?
We
Because
could if we wanted to.
it doesn't matter to me. I don't know if like James is at work, if he's got time to meet for an hour or so.
I can, on Fridays, I'm free after 11.
Okay. All right. So
What about you, TJ? Can you hear us?
TJ.
Sorry, I was mute. Hey, yeah, I can do. I'm talking to you guys. Hello. I'm good anytime tomorrow.
So I'm the only one with time constraint. So whatever, you guys. I'm like I said, I'm free anytime after probably 4 o'clock, and I don't have to be up Saturday morning too horribly early. I'm just my dad and I are going to be lighting up our forge probably around 10 a.m. So I can stay up however late. So I don't know. What do you guys want to do?
Doesn't matter.
I would think 4 would be best if that's available for you, that we can meet. And,
Knock it out as hard and as fast as we can.
yeah.
Okay.
All right. 4 o'clock. It may
Does that work?
Yep.
maybe take or give a few minutes for me, but
4:15ish.
yeah, somewhere in that time range because
Okay.
it's about a 20-minute drive from work for me. So
Okay. Well, 4:30 whenever. Just get us the link when you're ready, and we'll be in.
all right.
All right. Have a nice night, guys.
Thanks.
Hey, you guys too.